Hello, my lovely people. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this scrumptious peach cobbler. It's a little bit of a semi-homemade. Oh, it was so good. So crispy. If you really want to know how I got it to look like that on top, definitely stay tuned. Enjoy. Hello, everyone. Thank you for viewing in to today's episode of Shauna's Cooktorials. As I stated in the intro, this will be a semi-homemade peach cobbler. You want to pull out the ingredients that I'm showing here. The only thing that was measured was the sugar. I use 1 cup of each. And honestly, I think I use a little bit too much of the brown sugar because it turned out extremely sweet for my preference. So you may want to cut back on that if you don't like it too sweet. Next time, I definitely will. I will use less sugar. And I also think I kind of made a boo-boo because I got the peaches in heavy syrup instead of juice. So that honestly made a difference too because I prefer to have more juice and crust than anything. But I think that heavy syrup caramelized and thickened upon cooking. So take that into consideration. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to comment. I'm trying to get my channel going. I enjoy cooking, so I do appreciate all the views that I am currently getting. I know it takes time to grow, but share because I love to cook just different things. So was that butter just sliding? It was just sliding by itself. I didn't even notice that in that little glass bowl. But you also want to let this boil until all the sugars come together and it's kind of like roaring. And I just eyeballed everything else, which was the cinnamon and the nutmeg. So enjoy and subscribe to see more. Thank you once again.